Hang on a minute. Grego's here. Oh, the technology. What's happening? Yeah, talking about technology. I was having some charging issues with my old phone. So as much as I love the other phone, it was really an issue. Couldn't get a charger for it, which is ridiculous. But anyway, won't go into that. So welcome to Grego version 2 with the new phone. Didn't really want a new phone, but it just turns out that it was just timing with my plan and everything. Yeah, what are we doing? This is, stop babbling, Greg. This is Project 914, and I've just epoxied all underneath. So we prepped all that and ground down a few rough bits, and so now we've taped up all the bolt heads like you can see there. Didn't want any paint in the threads. So now we can put some seam sealer around any overlaps. So yeah, some seam sealer, and then we've got Raptor liner going underneath there. Probably not till after we've done the rest of the paint job. So basically, I'm just going to stand up here. Hang on. So you can sort of see. I could actually just turn it, but anyway. So everything's coated. And all the panels, actually, if I lower that down, I just don't want to, I love this rotisserie, it's the duck's nuts. So if I can lower this down, oh, there she goes. Yeah, it's not going to go anywhere near it because it's up at a nice high setting. So yeah, this it's looking really good. Really happy with all the work we did with the lead wiping and filing it and then epoxying it and blocking it. And really, it's looking really good. Everything's all nicely sealed up. And so yeah, now we can go through and get the seams all sorted. I've got to step over these things. So yeah, I'll just give you a rundown of where we're up to. It's looking really straight and really smooth. And so what else have we got in here? So all the other panels are in epoxy. So that's your back lid over the engine. There's some front panels, back panels. Oh, did you see that? Dirty little bugger. Yeah, so we've got a mouse in the house, but anyway, that's not affected anything here. So that's one of the doors and the other doors here. So yeah, we've still got some blocking and all to do on those. But yeah, it's coming along nicely, and really happy with it, and can't wait to so the next step is now to get some polyester on there. This will be next week, of course. So yeah, we're gonna sand this down again, and then so put like 2 or 3 coats of polyester on it, and it's going to be all nice and thick, so we can block that down. And then it can have some high fill after that, and then it's like ready to paint. So there's going to be quite the process of how we do it, as in, just doing the mosquitoes are just coming out of nowhere. So the doing all this insides first, and then that gets masked up, because these insides and that, we might be putting Raptor on the top of the floor, but the insides only get the direct gloss on there in the colour, and then on the outer panels. So yeah, next step is to get all the panels bolted back up and get it all polyed, and then yeah, block it all down with everything in place so that we know that everything's smooth and lines up nicely. So yeah, that's the update on the new phone. I still haven't found my GoPro, which is a real shame. It looks like it's gone into the abyss, you know. I hope it hasn't been stolen. And if I have sat it somewhere that's in our gear, then if I know where it is. So you're going to have to put up with this phone for a while anyway. So, alright, I just thought I'd give you an update on Project 914. It's going to be pretty spectacular. Okay, bye.